Speak English with clarity, confidence, and calm listening practice. This is not fast English. This is not book English. This is real life English. Slow, simple, and human.
Welcome back, English learners. You're listening to a space where English feels friendly, where mistakes are okay, and learning feels natural.
Today we're here again to talk, to share, and to help you use English in real life.
I'm Lina.
And I'm Daniel.
So, Daniel, how are you today? Did you have a busy day?
Yeah, a little busy. I had work in the morning, then I went to the gym, but now I feel good. How about you, Lina?
I'm good, but a bit tired. I slept late last night because I was watching a movie.
Ah, so maybe you were wasting a little time.
Maybe just a little. But it was a nice movie. And today I feel happy because we're talking with our listeners again.
Same here. It always feels good to sit down, talk with you, and help people improve their English.
Yes, it feels like we're all sitting together in one big room.
Okay, small talk finished. Now let's move into today's topic.
Yes, before we start wasting their time.
Right. Today's topic is very important.
Don't waste your time.
Because time is life. When we waste time, we waste a small part of our life.
That sounds serious, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple and friendly.
Before we begin, we have a small request.
If you enjoy this podcast, please like this episode, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Especially that friend who says, I don't have time to study English, but then scrolls on their phone for 1 hour.
We all know that friend.
Sometimes it's us.
Okay, let's talk about what don't waste your time really means.
Good question. To waste time means using your time on something that is not important and not helpful for you.
So it's not about fun or not fun.
Exactly. It's about whether it helps you or not.
Think about time like water in a bottle.
Water in a bottle?
Yes, you only have a limited amount. If you pour it on the floor, you can't drink it later.
Ah, I like that. Time is like water. Once it's gone, it's gone.
When you use your time on things that don't help you learn, don't help you grow, and don't help you rest, you're just pouring it on the floor.
And many times we feel it, that feeling of regret.
Yes, I could have used that time better.
Exactly.
Like when you say, I'll watch one short video, and 40 minutes later, you don't even remember what you watched.
That happens to so many people.
So now that we understand the meaning, let's talk about how to stop wasting time, especially while learning English.
Maybe we can start with a small story.
Stories help us remember.
Last month, I was working on my computer. My brain felt tired. I said, I'll take a 10-minute break.
Sounds reasonable.
I sat on the sofa, opened my phone, watched a funny video. Then another video started. I said, okay, just one more.
The most dangerous sentence. Just one more.
Yes. When I checked the clock, 1 hour and 15 minutes had passed.
That's a very long 10-minute break.
And the worst part? I didn't feel happy. I felt empty, a little guilty, more tired than before.
Like sand slipping through your fingers.
Exactly. After that day, I decided to be more intentional with my time.
Intentional means doing something on purpose, not by accident.
Yes. So today, we'll share some simple tips that helped us and can help you too.
All right. So let's move into the first simple tip.
Yes. Tip number 1. Make a tiny plan.
Tiny. Not big, not scary.
Many learners say, "Today I will improve my English."
That sounds nice, but it's too big.
Yes, that plan is vague.
Vague means not clear.
When a plan is not clear, your brain feels confused, and confused brains like to escape.
So instead of a big plan, make a tiny one.
For example, today I will learn 3 new words.
Or today I will listen to 10 minutes of English.
Or today I will read 1 short page.
A tiny plan is like a GPS address.
If you don't put an address in the GPS, you can drive anywhere and waste time and energy.
But one clear address takes you straight to your goal.
I remember when I tried to study 1 hour every day.
And how did that feel?
Heavy. I skipped days. Then I felt bad about myself.
So what did you change?
I changed my promise. I said only 10 minutes.
Just 10 minutes.
Yes, some days I did more, but my promise was small.
And that made it easier to start.
Exactly. Starting is the hardest part.
Okay, let's move to tip number 2.
Tip number 2. Use your pocket time.
Pocket time means small pieces of time.
5 minutes here,
7 minutes there.
10 minutes while waiting.
Most people throw this time away.
They scroll, they refresh, they forget.
But those small minutes are powerful.
Think of them like coins,
1 coin feels small.
but many coins become something valuable.
You can use pocket time to review words.
Or listen to a short podcast.
Or read a few lines.
I had a friend with 2 kids and a full-time job,
No free hours.
but many small minutes.
And she used them.
After a few months, her English improved a lot.
So don't wait for perfect time.
Use real time.
Now, tip number 3.
Make English fun.
Because if learning feels like punishment, your brain will run away.
Fun doesn't mean lazy.
It means enjoyable.
Music, stories, shows, games.
When learning feels good, you stay longer.
I learned many words from songs.
Listening again and again.
Singing, repeating, enjoying.
And that's not wasting time.
That's investing time.
Now we must talk about something dangerous.
Time thieves.
Things that steal time and give nothing back.
For many people, social media.
1 check becomes 1 hour.
So make small rules.
Phone away while studying.
Notifications off.
Study first. Scroll later.
Protect your focus.
Because focused time saves time.
Now, an important question.
Does don't waste time mean work all the time?
No, rest is not wasting time.
Rest is charging your battery.
Sleep, quiet moments, doing nothing.
Sometimes rest makes you faster later.
Balance is the key.
Study, work, fun, rest.
A little of each.
So let's make this very simple.
Step 1. Choose one tiny English goal today.
Step 2. Decide when you will do it.
Step 3. Make it enjoyable.
Step 4. Say something kind to yourself.
Good job. I used my time well.
That kindness matters.
Because learning is a long journey.
And you're already on the right path.